Stop believing the hype.
Don't. Okay, well, so see all your sludge, make sure you nice and waterfall it down, all right?
All right.
It'll get off the last of the little tinge of acid. It'll be perfect. I'm getting off most of it.
Okay.
So when you do that, it'll help you out. By the time you hit the front of the walls, they should really be right down to the wire.
Right down to the wire.
Do you know what to do?
My shoes up there?
Yeah. So we're pretty much done. Enjoy it. It'll be really easy to clean. That'll be the most important thing. It actually can be cleaned now. Just let it, yeah.